shell. He brought me my shoes. I see one right there. Tiny shell. Ah. And walk by the beach. We're in Zambales. It's so pretty. Tapos. We're taking photos right now. The groovy one, I like this one. We have the bottom 5. Oh, this one. Yes, bottom 5.
Go take that.
That definitely got white raw. What does Wingstop taste like?
It only tastes good with the rain.
It's so pretty. It's the best flavor. Hello. C3. There's lettuce. This one looks fresh. This one looks fresh. Can you read what it says? We made brownies and then say which ingredients. I'm toasting bread right now. Hey guys. Where did brownies go? Cutting the bread. This is the mayo we're using to pack it. And spoon? Yes, please. Oh, thank you so much. Damn. My poor pig. Oh! All these sandwiches. Look at this. It literally looks like I'm running a business. Oh, did I break it? Oh, I broke this one. A bit of olive oil. I don't have sesame oil, so what's this? We don't have enough rice, so I'm just making tiny rice balls.
I can't choose between the other one and the other one.
That one I feel like you might not get as hot in. Look. That's so funny. Die! What's going on? So it's like living with crazy children. Our seaweed is falling off. All the food. We have too much food. Stan TXT. Wow. What?
I take.
Yeah, we should take a pic.
I take pics.
It's falling down.
I don't think he knows.
Happy birthday. It's our last few days in the Philippines, and we're hiding in the closet.
Not really hiding.
Di ka na naniwala yung naka-vlog to.
I don't care. Bongyu Poggy. Stan TXT.
I'm gonna get the teriyaki oyakata. Oh, thanks. Thank you. It's okay. This is so cute.
Toy Story.
Finding hair clips. It's with you.
No, it automatically stops.
Double rainbow. Wait, there. Do you see better? Be who you are. We're in Japan right now. I got food from 7-Eleven. Not the one, not the one, kids. It's really good. Whoa! I thought I broke it.
I'm working late, cause I'm a singer. Oh, he looks so cute, wrapped around my finger. My twisted humor, make him laugh so often. My honeybee, come and get this pollen. Too bad your ex don't do it for you. Walked in, a dream came true for you. Soft skin and not perfumed for you.
Hello, I hope you liked this video. This was our last week in the Philippines. I feel like it was way too short. We should go back. I will see you later. Have a good day. Bye.
Hello. Yeah, man, that looks like this. It's raining hard again. Bongyu is my... Madali pa lang dito? Hi!
Stan TXT.
Are you filming right now? Are you filming?